Wow, this is massive.
It's bigger, huh? Yeah.
Look at the size of this.
It's hard to believe this is a boat.
I know, this is a boat.
We think it's a boat.
You know if it floats yet.
No, it will float.
These are the windows you were talking about earlier on, the bigger windows.
I like that more, but
Yeah.
you know, it's all about taste. And yeah.
Now that I see it, I think I agree with you. Yeah.
You have more the you know, the water experience.
Yeah.
I like it. It looks so clean inside because it's all white. It's all the same color. It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
This is big. This is really spacious. This is the size of 2 pods,
Easily.
maybe even 3. And this is for the heating,
Yeah, there's floor heating.
underfloor heating,
Yeah.
in all of the rooms.
No, I think this until there,
Yeah.
but the sleeping don't have the bedrooms don't have a.
Yeah, not the bathrooms.
No.
This is a 2-bedroom too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's massive. And you do the mattress as well?
Yeah.
Oh, standalone toilet. This is nice here, man. It's so compact the way you're able to get 2 bedrooms into it by just building the rooms this size, because you don't need any more space for
No.
a bedroom. This is perfect.
But it's quite big. Well, this is 90
Yeah, 90.
with 90. It's a normal one
Yeah,
person bed. Yeah.
and you also have a window for each
Yeah, for each bed. Yeah.
And each bed has a socket
Yeah.
as well.
That's amazing.
That's all you need, isn't it? You put a light there, maybe some clothes hangers, coat hangers or something.
Yeah, whatever you like. Yeah. Yeah.
And
Small bathroom.
oh,
Yeah.
Shower and a sink.
Yeah.
It's a
Ah,
pretty
there we
big shower for a
Yeah.
thing like this.
it's perfect.
Yeah.
That's all you need. It's actually very spacious.
Yeah.
It gets a lot into it, but generally, would you want to put like the toilet inside the bathroom and just have one actual bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
That's what we normally do. Yeah.
Yeah.
But there was no space, so
Yeah. What do we have in here? Storage or?
storage. Yeah. Yeah. A big one.
Yeah. Fuse box. Yeah. This is a massive unit.
This was a little bit cheaper than the other one.
The one we saw earlier.
Because the Schiedam has solar power and you know the batteries and
Yeah.
the water tank, and this is just for on the wall side. The plug-in
Yeah.
water and electricity.
Yeah, so this one will, once it goes and sits on the leg, it'll probably never move.
No,
Yeah.
more like a woon boat, a
Yeah.
living boat. Yeah.
Yeah. And where is this going to?
To about 20 kilometers under Amsterdam.
This thing is massive. What are these?
Screens, yeah. No, like I told you, the mosquito.
Oh, they're all the
Yeah.
mosquito nets. Yeah.
So every window that opens has a protection against mosquitoes.
Yeah.